Searching for a light in a room full of shadows, fighting all these ghosts, winning all these battles. But the hardest one is the war inside my head, repeating every single word that you ever said. I'm scrolling through the photos, trying to feel a spark, but everything feels hollow when you're dancing in the dark. Maybe I'm just tired of being okay, waiting for the sun, but it's always gray. I built these walls so high just to feel some peace. Now I'm trapped inside, praying for a release. Yeah, we're all just broken hearts in a digital world, searching for a meaning while the flags are unfurled. Coffee's getting cold and the clock's ticking slow.